Hey, it's Duncan. Welcome to Free Legal Information Friday. We're doing this a little bit different today. We're going to try and record it on Zoom because I want to use some slides to actually go through our free legal information for today. So I'm going to share my screen real quick. All right. So one of my favorite topics that I talk to my insurance law students about is what is an automobile accident? Why do we care about what is an automobile accident? Because if someone is injured in an automobile accident, they have coverage through their own automobile insurer for no fault benefits, for statutory accident benefits, benefits that pay for things like some income replacement, benefits that pay for things like attendant care and non OHIP covered treatment. So, valuable benefits. But first, we have to be able to determine what's an automobile accident. And it's not as simple as it may seem. There's an actual legal test for it that comes out of the statutory accident benefit schedule. We're not going to spend much time on this at all for Free Legal Information Friday, but it's a two-part test. First, we have to look at whether this incident, whether it involved the use or operation of an automobile. And the second part is, did the use or operation of an automobile cause the impairment, cause the injuries? So instead of going through the actual legal test, let's do crowd participation. As we go through this, you could yell at your phones or yell at your tablets whether you think this is an automobile accident or not. So warm-up questions. These are the easy ones. Car drives into a truck. Is it an automobile accident? Yes, obviously. Car drives into a cyclist. Yes, obviously. Car drives into a pedestrian. Yes, obviously. Okay, you're all 3 for 3. You've got all those right. Let's make it trickier. Person's driving a car. They're shot in a drive-by shooting. They're rendered a paraplegic. Is that an automobile accident? Courts say no. Car breaks down on a country road on a cold night. The person that's driving the car gets out, tries to walk back to the main road, gets lost, falls in a river, loses their boots, gets frostbite, amputated legs and fingers. Is this an automobile accident? These are all real cases, sad cases. No, it's not an automobile accident. How's everyone doing so far? Next one. Sounds like a Thunder Bay type of situation. Person stops at a gas station, gets gas, checks their tires, falls on ice around their car. And they get hurt. Is it an automobile accident? Yes, yes, it is. You're still using the vehicle. Hopefully, this doesn't happen to people. Person goes to a garage for some service. The mechanic spills some fuel out of the car. The fuel catches fire, and the person is burned. Is that an automobile accident? Tribunals and courts say yes. Here's another one. Bit of a wild fact pattern. There's a music festival. Person's drinking all day and night. And then shortly before midnight, while playing tag with his daughter and her friend around his parked truck, this person is running between his truck and the adjacent trailer. While doing so, he trips over a motorcycle that had been parked there, propels him forward, and strikes his truck before falling to the ground, and he suffers a serious spinal cord injury. Is that an automobile accident? Someone tripping over a vehicle? Yes, it is. Here's another one. A woman sustains serious burns to her lower body when the entire contents of her coffee at McDonald's, not the American version of this case, entire contents of her coffee at McDonald's spills on her while she tries to transfer the cup from the drive-through window to the cup holder in the vehicle. Is it an automobile accident? Yes, yes it is. Sad Ronald. Here's another one, a couple more. SUV drives into the patio of a house, knocking the patio off the house. Homeowner hears a crash and goes out to investigate, but when they step out the door, they fall into the space between the house and the patio. Is that an automobile accident? Yes, it is. Final one. There's middle-aged men on a party bus coming back from a golf trip. One-upmanship starts. Party bus is a stripper pole. Middle-aged man is pretending to dance on the stripper pole, tries a headstand, doesn't work out, ends up a quadriplegic. Very, very sad. Is that an automobile accident? Yes, it is. So what did we learn from all that? What we learned from all that, the takeaway point is that what is an automobile accident is really broad and really fact dependent. And if there is some automobile involved, the best thing that you can do is get in touch with a lawyer to talk about whether or not that incident qualifies as an automobile accident, and whether or not you'd be qualified to get accident benefits from your insurance company. This has been Free Legal Information Friday. Thanks for coming. Hopefully this works.